Hi, what's happening? I'm in a bit of bushland, the Sunshine Coast. Believe it or not, the beach is only a few hundred metres that way, and houses are a few hundred metres that way, but a little bit of a conservation strip, and someone's put a geocache in here, so we'll see if we can find it. Come on. Getting ready for summer. They've done a bit of a controlled burn just to remove some of the undergrowth. See some of the char on the trees. Just removes all the dead grass, dead leaves. A little while ago, some new leaves dropping. But alright, it's right on sunset, and I'm actually at the camp nearby. Let's see if we can find this cache and get back in time for dinner. Alright, so we've come down this path, and what do we see here? Small bridge. It's an interesting tree growing out at an angle there. Might just be quiet for a moment, see if you can hear those birds and stuff. Sometimes it's easy to forget you're in the middle of suburbia. Alright, I'm pretty sure I'm going to find a cache under there, so I'll get to it, see if it's there. Well, as expected, cache in hand. Let's open it up and see what we can see. Logbook. Random bits and pieces. Nothing that interesting from the look of things. Queensland Mega coming up next year. Check that out. There's the details for you. Check that out, should be a great weekend. Stanthorpe's a beautiful location in rural Queensland. Plenty of beautiful wineries around there too, actually. And the rest of it looks pretty random. So we'll sign this log and move on. So, just a quiet little cache at the end of a day at camp. And I tell you what, I'm looking forward to putting my feet up. Been a lot of walking today with the kids. But yeah, nice to escape them for a little bit. Grab a little peace and quiet in the bush, listen to the birds, and find a geocache. So thanks for coming. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.